This is Bart with Mad Dogs Trains, doing a video how to install this kit. It's a non-pole kit. What that means, it's cheaper shipping. You don't have the long pole that you're going to be shipping in a box. So you can purchase that at any Home Depot, Lowe's, or Menards. Everything else that you'll need to mount the crossing to the pole will be provided. Do basically a brief video. That's your transformer box container. Power cable 110 going in, has a transformer 12 volts coming out, has 20-foot cable. This unit has 2 wireless remotes. These are the newer versions that we're supplying. Green is on, red is for the bell. If you turn the green back off with the red activated, the bell, it shuts everything off. I will explain shortly. The drill holes, how to mount the base to the pole that comes with the kit, it'll be in a video. Very simple to install. The customer wanted a plywood base, so that's in this picture. On our railroad crossing, we have a new clamp system to mount the 2 screws for the railroad crossing sign. Basically, on this unit, on your pole, it'll show you in the instructions. It's approximately 6 inches from the base. Comes with the grommet. That's going to be your power cable, 12-volt power cable. That'll be supplied from the base all the way through the pole to the middle hole, approximately 49.5 inches from the base. That's where you're going to drill for the crossbar. You're going to run both wires through the pole. The red wire, red and black, is for the top of the pole. It'll show you instructions where to drill that hole. That's for the bell install. Slide that through. Slide your 12-volt power cable through. Once you get it through the hole, then you can install your 2 connectors. Do not install those until then. Very simple. Once you get the connectors through the pole, it will slide through the housing. This is all galvanized steel. All the mechanism, the electronics are all built into the housings, wireless remote and all that. So basically what that's going to be doing, you're going to mount that assembly onto that. You're going to mount the bell into the top part. Cross buck sign, like it says, has the new, you have no more nuts. It's going to be fasteners now, so all you do is you line up the screws with the fasteners. So you mount these 2 clamps. You can mount them just like I do now and then mount it to your pole, or you can put the clamps and then mount it that way. Either way, this is the base the customer wanted. So basically, once you get it all hooked up, green turns the unit on, red turns the bell on. If you hit green again, you can shut the bell off with the system, or shut the red back off. These are available at Mad Dogs Trains. We have smaller kits and the larger kits, 4.5-inch LEDs with the 2 3/8 galvanized posts that you can purchase. So all these kits are available at Mad Dogs Trains. Thank you.